Hello everyone, myself Pallavi Patil from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. I'm going to teach you a wireless and mobile network subject. In last video, we saw the unit 1 that is a PCS architecture. Today we are going to learn about the remaining part of unit 1 that is a GSM architecture. What are the outcomes of this video? Learner will be able to understand what is a GSM, GSM service, GSM architecture, GSM function, characteristics of GSM and advantage and disadvantage of GSM. Let's see the first, what is a GSM? GSM is a stand for the Global System for Mobile Communication. GSM is a standard development by the European Telecommunication Standard Institute, that is a ETSI. GSM is a 2G digital cellular network. It is used by mobile device such as a mobile phone and tablet. GSM mobile communication is a digital cellular communication system. It based on digital technology. Next, GSM service. The GSM service is provided to integrate the service for voice and data. There are three types of the services delivered by the GSM system. The first is a tele service, second beer service, also called as a data service, and last one is a supplementary service. The first, the tele service. Tele service is a standard mobile telephone. It's a mobile oriented. It's a base oriented traffic, emergency calling, fax and video text. That is a telephone service. The next is a beer service. The data service and beer service are used through a GSM phone to receive and send data is the essential building block to widespread mobile internet. The mobile data transfer GSM is currently has a data transfer rate of 9.6 gig. The next is a supplementary service. In a supplementary service, there are the teletext, SMS, MMS. The supplementary service is ISDN service for the call diversion, call line ID, closed user group, call bearing, call waiting, call holding, the connect a line in ID. These are the GSM services. The next, GSM architecture. GSM basically architecture is a divided in a three part: mobile station, base subsystem and network subsystem. GSM is a global system for mobile communication, is a digital cellular technology. Okay, let's see one by one. Basically, the GSM architecture we can broadly divide in a three part. There's a mobile station. The first, second is a BSS, that is a base station subsystem. The last one is a network switching subsystem. Let's see the first, mobile station, that is a MS, mobile station. MS. The MS is a consist of the physical equipment such as a radio transceiver to display and digital signal processor and the SIM card. It provide the air interface to the user in a GSM network. As such, their service are also provided. The next one, the base station subsystem. The base station subsystem is a section of the GSM network architecture that is a fundamentally used to communicating with the mobiles and network. The different elements used in a BSS, that the two part, that is a BTS and BSC. What is a BTS? The BTS is a use in a GSM network the radio transmitter and receiver, and their associated the antenna that transmit and receive directly communicate with the mobiles. Simply BTS is a tower. BTS is a defined element for the each cell. BTS can be used to communicate with the mobile and its interface between the two known has a UM interface and associate the protocols. The next one is a BSC. BSC is a base station controller. The base station controller is from the next stage of the back into the GSM network. It's considered a group of BTS, and it's often to locate the ones BTS in the group. Main function of the BSC: the manage the radio's resources and control the items such as a handover within the group of BTS. It communicate with the BTS over what the terminal are used. The next one is a network switching system. Okay, the network switching subsystem is a main part of which is a mobile switching center. Is perform the switching of calls between the mobile and fixed mobile network user, as well as the management of mobile service such as the authentication. It is a main function, main element of the GSM architecture. They include a registration, authentication, call location, inter MSC handover, call routing, and mobile subscriber. It also provides interface to PSTN so that the call can be routed from one mobile network to the phone connected to the landline. The interface to the MSC is provided to enable call made a mobile and different network. The next, GSM function and components. These are the different function and component. The mobile station, that is MS, is referred to mobile station. It simply means a mobile phone. And next is a BTS, is a base transceiver system, is maintain the radio component with MS, that is a mobile station. The next is a base station controller, that is a BSC. It is a function, it is to allocate the necessary time slot between the BTS and MSC, that is a mobile switching center. The next one is a home location register, HLR. It is a it is the refer database for the subscriber permanent like a subscriber ID, location, authentication key it is. The next is a visitor location register, that is a VLR. It is a consist of the copy of most of the data stored in HLR, which is temporary and exit only until subscriber is active. The next, equipment identity register, is EIR. It is a database which contains a list of valid mobile equipment on the network. The last one is the authentication center, that is AUC. It is perform authentication, is a protect of the subscriber data. Okay. The different characteristics of the GSM architecture. The first is a fully digital system using 900 to 8800 megahertz frequency band. The user terminal authentication from fraud controller is a full international roaming capability. Low speed data service. This support the short message service, that is a MS SMS. Okay, these are the characteristics of the GSM architecture. The next is the advantage of GSM architecture is a reduced RF transmission power and longer battery life. Is a international roaming capability, better security against fraud, and encryption capability for the information security and privacy. These are the different advantage of the GSM architecture. Basically, we will learn in this PPD the GSM architecture. GSM architecture is divided in a three part, that is a mobile station, base subsystems and network subsystem. Okay? In mobile station is consists of the mobile equipment, that is ME, okay, known as a small or mobile phone. And next, let's see the base subsystem. We'll learn the different BTS and BSC. And last one, network subsystem. We learn the HLR, VLR, MSC, that is a mobile switching subsystem. Okay, and AUV, that is the authentication purpose. EIR, it is store the unique register number for the subscriber. These are the architecture of the GSM. Next, thank you, student. These are the unit 1 part 2. Okay, any query regarding this video, note down your query, note down your any problem. We will solve your query and your doubt upcoming online session video. ठीक है? Okay, thank you.